Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing a super practical Excel skill, how to convert square meters to square feet, and vice versa, directly within your spreadsheets. Whether you're working on a real estate project, planning home renovations, or just need to understand different unit measurements, this tutorial will save you time and effort. We'll walk through the formulas step by step, making it easy to follow along, even if you're not an Excel expert. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to Fix Zone for more Excel tips and tricks. We cover everything from basic formulas to advanced techniques. Alright, let's get started. First, let's tackle converting square meters to square feet. As a quick reminder, 1 square meter is equal to approximately 10.764 square feet. Show Excel sheet with a column labeled square meters and another labeled square feet. Enter some sample values in the square meters column, like 5, 10, 25, 50. Okay, in the square feet column, next to our first square meter value, we're going to enter the formula to convert. So, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Zoom in on the Excel cell. Now type, equals A2 asterisk 10.764. Highlight the A2 cell in the formula. Here, A2 is the cell containing the square meter value we want to convert. And of course, 10.764 is the conversion factor. Press Enter. Show the converted value appearing in the square feet cell. Voila! You have square meters converted to square feet. Now to apply this to the rest of the values, simply click on the cell we just filled, and hover over the bottom right corner. You'll see a small square appear. Click and drag that square down to fill the rest of the square feet column. Demonstrate dragging the fill handle down to populate the rest of the column. Excel automatically adjusts the formula for each row, so A3 becomes A4, then A5, and so on. Easy peasy. Now, let's reverse the process and convert square feet to square meters. Remember, 1 square foot is equal to approximately 0.092903 square meters. Create a new column labeled square feet, and another labeled square meters. Populate the square feet column with some values like 100, 500, 1000. Okay, similar to before, in the square meters column, click the cell where you want the converted value. Zoom in on the Excel cell.
Type, égale B2 astérisque 0.092903.
Highlight the B2 cell in the formula. Here, B2 represents the cell containing the square footage, and 0.092903 is the conversion factor for square feet to square meters. Hit Enter. Show the converted value appearing in the square meters cell. Perfect. Now, drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the remaining cells in the column.
Demonstrate dragging the fill handle down.
And there you have it. You've successfully converted square feet to square meters. Scroll the Excel sheet to show both conversions. Now, here's a handy tip. You can also use Excel's convert function, which can handle various unit conversions, not just square meters and feet. While multiplying is simpler for these specific conversions, the convert function is great for more complex scenarios. The convert function is available in newer versions of Excel. Optional: briefly demonstrate the convert function, equals convert, A2, M2 FT2, and equals convert, A2, FT2 M2. So there you have it. Converting square meters to square feet, and vice versa, in Excel is a piece of cake. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to Fix Zone for more Excel tutorials. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.